This is Portulaca and this is Bonsai. Today we are turning the world's one of the tiniest flower into a tiny tree. To make it successful, we just need a healthy plant, some rope and a bonsai shaped stick and a little passion. Yes, it is called Mini Bonsai Beauty, a DIY RoseMoss bonsai idea that looks straight out of a Zen garden. It's small, simple, and absolutely stunning. Let's go. Step 1. Picking a strong plant. Choose a thick, strong RoseMoss stem. You want one that looks a little woody and mature. That's going to be our mini trunk. This is the foundation of your tiny bonsai tree. Step 2. Trimming lower leaves. We are keeping just the top crowns of leaves. That's where the magic happens. Tie it gently with thread or wire. Don't choke it. Step 3. Planting in shallow pot. Now grab a shallow pot. This gives it that real bonsai vibe. Simple setup, zero fancy tools needed.
Wow!
Step 4. Adding stick for support. Use a thin stick to support your plant so it stands straight. Fill it with sandy soil for perfect drainage and plant your stem right in the center. We want it to grow upright just like a tiny tree. Step 5. Trimming top shape. Trim gently every week to shape the crown. Each cut makes it grow thicker and stronger. Step 6. Styling the base. Add small stone, moss or pebble at the base for that true bonsai look. It's peaceful, balanced and perfect for study corners. This DIY proves one thing. Beauty doesn't need size, only care and creativity. Now go make your own tree and show me your version in the comments.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.